In the previous video, you learned how to log into the Moodle platform via mobile or the Moodle desktop or the web browser. When you log into the system, you obviously log in as either a student or a teacher, but there are also other user groups that you can be assigned. You can, for example, be an administrator, you can be a course creator, and so on. So in this little video demonstration, we are going through the different user groups that are in Moodle and what each group can do. So I will start to share my screen. And we should now see the main platform. So as you see, I am in as a course administrator. And that gives me a couple of more menu points out here to the left. And at the moment, I will go into users, I will go into permission, and I will go into define roles. Here you have the user groups that is available within Moodle. So the manager is obviously the one that can oversee everything on the whole platform. So create new courses, he can dive in and basically do anything that he wants. Then you have a course creator. This means if you're a member of this group, you can actually create new courses. So you get some more menu points available for you. So you can create courses and subcategories within those courses. Teacher is what you will normally be assigned. And basically you can do anything within an existing course. So for example, you have a course that has 10 tasks. You can actually log in and you can change the content of those 10 tasks that is part of your course. You can also add an existing task to that course. What you cannot do is to create a totally new course. You need to be a course creator to do that. Then you have a non-editing teacher, and basically you can have a scenario where you are a sole teacher, you have a lot of tasks to be done, corrected, and you have a super clever student that has taken part in the program before and is helping you on the side. You as a teacher can actually assign another student to become a non-editing teacher. And that means that he can teach the courses and grade the students, but he cannot change the activities in the system. This is something you as a teacher, you can actually assign this role to certain students in your team. Students, it tells itself, you can basically do the tasks and send them off to the teacher. Then you have guest. We can provide guest access to some of the content. That means that if you do this, it's something that a manager has to set up in the system. But if somebody needs to see your curriculum, they can log in as guests, they can see all your tasks, but they don't belong, so they can actually send off the task to the teacher and so on. It's basically the same as a student, but it's kind of read only. So these are the user groups that are typically within the system. So without further ado, we will finish this tasks now, and you will have a short little exercise that you have to complete before you can go on to the next task.